Hey everyone, it's Austin here from Sitemap with another SEO video. This one's all about technical SEO. I get a lot of questions about this topic, people wanting to know what exactly is technical SEO, what types of work go on a technical SEO job, what types of things are you doing, and how do you know whether or not your site needs a lot of technical SEO work? I've got a blog that I'll post in this video that goes into more detail, but to get started, it's helpful to think of a search engine as just a computer. And that computer has an algorithm that's designed to rank your content for specific keywords. But in order for it to do that, it first needs to crawl and scan your website's content. And that's really where technical SEO comes into play. It's all about helping the search engine to find your site and then crawl the content correctly so that you can start to get organic traffic. You might have heard of technical SEO services like Core Web Vitals, making sure your page loads quickly on mobile devices. There's common SEO tasks like fixing redirects, checking for broken links and fixing them, XML sitemaps, canonical URLs. These all get, technical SEO, it's very developer focused. And that's because a lot of technical SEO work is done behind the scenes by specialists, webmasters, and developers. It's not things that the front end user would generally see. It's not content related, and it's not offsite SEO or link building. It generally happens behind the scenes. So how do you know whether or not your website needs a lot of technical SEO work? There's some gray area here. Every site's a little different, but in general, if you have a very large site that you're adding content to or making changes to quite a bit, and you've got thousands, if not tens of thousands of pages that you would like a search engine to rank, or if you are an e-commerce store, in one of those two situations, you're likely going to need ongoing technical SEO work. It's important to have those types of sites worked on because when you're changing URLs a lot or adding products, or you've got a lot of filters and categories going on, the search engine can get tripped up and not necessarily know what content to crawl and scan. And so you really need to be focusing on the technical SEO health ongoing. So I would recommend more of like a monthly type approach to technical SEO where you're scanning it weekly and monthly to make sure there's no issues. If you have a smaller site, I would recommend just a technical SEO audit, maybe once a year or so. That's going to make sure that you don't have any overarching, glaring, major technical SEO problem. And if you do, then you can just get it fixed. You can also run scans on your website. You can check your Search Console every few months just to make sure there's nothing going on. But smaller sites generally don't need as much technical SEO work. So again, technical SEO behind the scenes, done a lot by developers to try to help the search engine to find and crawl your website effectively. And it is something that if you're a large e-commerce store, you probably need. I hope that was helpful. Let me know if there are any questions, and I will do my best to answer them. Thanks.